Welcome to 2525 Deer Run in Chouteau, Oklahoma, where you'll fall in love with a private country estate sitting on nearly 17 acres. Pulling up to this nearly 4,200 square foot, two-story ranch-style home, you'll find an inviting feel with a large front porch overlooking the Circle Drive. Stepping inside, this home provides an expansive flowing floor plan with a huge living room, floor-to-ceiling gas log fireplace, beautiful hardwood floors, and picturesque country views throughout. A large dining area easily accommodates whatever size table you can imagine, and the luxurious kitchen is fully loaded with great appliances, tons of storage, beautiful finishes, and a neat serving counter. The main floor master suite features tons of floor space and a spa-like bath. This suite is perfect for relaxing after a long day, and for extra convenience, you'll find in-suite access to the home office, which doubles as a nursery or guest room if needed. Another main floor guest room includes an ADA-friendly layout and in-suite bath for excellent overnight accommodation or long-term care needs. Upstairs, you'll have a gigantic game room that has space for all your indoor entertaining needs. Bring game tables, media, seating arrangements, and more. And don't miss the 3 large bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms upstairs as well. Enjoying time outdoors with this home is a given. Imagine time on the covered back porch, swimming in the custom pool area, or the practically limitless opportunities that come with having your own acreage. And don't forget the untouched countryside of over 800 acres of reserve land that this home backs to, including Chouteau Creek. Don't miss out on this incredible country estate close to town in Chouteau. Set up your personal tour today. For more information, call John Pello at Coldwell Banker Select. And for your lending needs, remember Debbie Russell at AMC Mortgage.